So sometimes you apply an effect in Kdenlive and you see this is what happened. There is no keyframe. But how do you apply the effects to only one specific area? The key is lying in the use effect zone. So in the use effect zone, you can set where you can apply the effects to it and not affecting other areas of the videos. To do that, let's select an area that we want to apply the effect to it, something like this. And come up here and click the use effect zone. Once you click that, you can see you have the in zone here and the out zone. So you click on the set zone in, and you can see this little purple line here, and then you can move the mouse to a specific area that you want the effects to end, and then you click the set out zone, and that's it. So the effects only apply to the specific area that you want. You set the in zone and the out zone. There you know how to use the effect zone in Kdenlive. Thank you again for watching.